on a little adventure today. Go riding to the beach. Let's go. So we made it to the beach. We rode about 2 miles to get here. He's tired. Beautiful water. Now I gotta figure out a way to get down. It's like a cliff right here. Oh shoot. There go my daughter, my baby mama, boo boo mama. And then, how'd you guys get down? Those cool little drawings.
Let's go that way, Dad. That one looks more fun.
All right. She says she slid on her asses. Dad. All right. Probably try to go this way. Those are cool drawings. Wow, it's beautiful. I don't know why I didn't bring my tent. This would have been awesome to bring the tent and just lay out and relax. Let's see what these guys are doing. He's trying to make a dirt angel. Go ahead, continue to make that dirt angel. Yay, a dirt angel. Oh, that looks cool. Watch, get up. Wow, look at it. Yay. Watch out for the water. You can't get in my truck with wet feet. Beautiful day. What are you doing, bro? Oh, wow. Wow. You like this better or the snow?
No.
Why? Yeah, but the snow is cold. This is nice and warm.
I don't care.
Watch it, watch it. Wow, it's coming way up to us. This is beautiful.
Look it, count me.
Mark said go. Mark said go.
Ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Wow, look at the speeders. Cool. I don't know, I can't say this enough, but it is beautiful out here. I guess she's trying to draw a giant sun.
Wow. It's a little cold.
You started, you gotta finish. She finished. Wow. You're not in the middle. Are your feet cold, Junior?
A little, but no.
They say they're in the middle of the sun. Watch when the water washes them out to sea. That was close. Yay! She says he wasn't meditating. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention this is Fort Ord, an ex-military base. I guess this is a part of the base where they did a lot of amphibious training. Cool little spot. Junior's gonna attempt to run it. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, go. Bing, bing, go! Go! Yeah, you guys don't know how steep this is. This is steep. Go, Junior. Get it. Kicking the 4-wheel drive. Yeah. Go! Yeah, he made it. All right, I'm gonna attempt to run up this hill. I'm gonna attempt.
I could have swore I saw a kneecap bent backwards. Yay!
Let's see the expert. Go, child. She just turned 16, you guys.
Man, I turned 20.
We're on our way back to the truck. Thank you for watching. Bye.